Hello everyone, this is the platform. Once you are able to log on the Cambridge LMS, then I'm gonna show you here the components that you can have access to. You go directly to content. This tab offers you the course, workbook, games, reviews, video activities, and the tests. With the course component, what you are to do is to read the information, complete the activities so you can understand. Of course, we are using this when we are in class online or in the time that you spend for studying English. The workbook is a component that is mandatory for everybody. So you need to complete all the activities. All of them are gonna be available for 1 week. It means one unit is going to be developed completely during that week. And that is one of the components we have to check. So I make sure that you are prepared for other evaluation activities. We have the games, which are a complement. These games are related to the same information of the unit. For example, here, all of them have animation, and the questions are going to be focused on vocabulary and grammar. Later, we have these reviews. The reviews are going to be used when we have the section for forums or for questions. Those activities are for you to make clear, to go deeper into the topics, and actually to realize that you can improve your level, even if you already know some of the structures and English vocabulary. Finally, these video activities are going to be a complement. Most of them are available for different units. That means that one episode has the content of more than one unit. At the beginning, you only need to do number 1, in the second week, number 2, week 3, unit 3, and finally, unit 4 makes reference to the episode 2. But that's gonna be by the end of the course of English 1. What we have here at the end is tests. The tests are designed, all of them according to the content of the workbook and the course. It means that according to the calendar, you are going to answer them by the end of each week. The first week, of course, is going to include quiz number 1. This one has specific time for you to complete, and there you will find listening, grammar, vocabulary questions, plus reading comprehension questions. Alright, so this was the general description of the contents that you will find on the platform. Remember, this is Cambridge LMS and your tutor, Daniela Mejia.